Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, the motive is to solve 4 subproblems such that we are denoting age of the players, that is the independent variables, with X, and now we are using the variable Y to denote the number of strikes the players had in the 2015 sessions. So it will be here number of players. Now we can find out the answer for the first part such that the value of R, that is correlation coefficient, is 0.61 and the value of X bar, that is the mean of the age, will be here equals to 25.7. Similarly, the sample mean of Y will be here equals to, we can say 100.9, and the value of sample standard deviation of X will be 3.24. Also, the value of sample standard deviation of Y will be here 7.42. So in the first part, we need to find the value of the fitted slope, and it is B1, and that is equals to R multiplied with SY divided by SX. So if we plug in the value here, it will be approximately, we can say 1.3969, and then it will be 75, which is here equals to 1 point, and then it is 397. So let us put the answer inside the box in order to highlight it, and then we will discuss the second part of this very problem. So in the second part, we can write that the value of the fitted intercept will be B0, and this is equals to Y bar minus, it will be here B1 multiplied with X bar. So if we plug in the value, it is 100.9 minus it is 1.396975, and then it is multiplied with 25.7. So the value of intercept will be equals to, it is going to come around 64. So let's write over here B0, and this is equals to here 64.998, and we can put the answer inside the box in order to highlight it. Now in the third part, we need to calculate the percent of variation. So let's write over here that the percent of variation can be calculated once we calculate the value of coefficient of determination. So it will be here R square, and this is 0.61 raised to the power 2, and this value will be 0.37, and here it is 21. Therefore, the required value of the percent of variation of the number of strikeouts, that is explained by age using linear regression, will be 0.37. Now it is 21 multiplied with 100, and this value will be 37.21%. So let us put the answer inside the box, and then we will proceed towards the fourth part of this very problem. So in the fourth part, let us write, it will be here part D, and here we can mention that linear regression equation cannot be used to predict the number of strikeouts for a player of age 22. So let's write over here cannot, and then it will be here be used for age will be here equals to 22, and this is because the range of the ages of the players is between 25 to 34, and here we can mention that the range is basically between 25 and then it will be here to 34. Since the regression equation is based on interpolation, so the fitted regression equation is best for predicting any value of Y for the range of explanatory variable between 25 to 34. So the answer for this very problem will be no, and then we can mention the reason, and it will be here because we cannot, and then it will be here extrapolate. So it is extrapolate, and if we look into the options, then which option will be correct? Option number E will be correct, and we can put the answer inside the box in order to highlight it, and we have solved all the 4 subproblems So that's all for this very video.